Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all pizza sauce recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Follow the instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use my recipe to eat your own. A classic pizza sauce recipe, rich, tangy, and perfect for homemade pizza. Pizza sauce recipe ingredients: tomato puree or crushed tomato 400 gram, olive oil 2 tablespoons, garlic 1 tablespoon minced, onion 2 tablespoon finely chopped optional, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, dried oregano 1 teaspoon, basil 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon optional. Method: heat olive oil in a pan. Saute garlic if using onion and until soft. Add tomato puree. Add salt, sugar, herbs and spice. Simmer on low heat 15 to 20 minutes until become thick. Cool before spreading on pizza. Texture thick and spreadable. Flavor tangy, herbs and slightly sweet. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Ciao.